Ek het mos baie space, joh. Van ek het baie video's gaan record wat ek nog geupload het, maar ek het baie space. Julle sal my kan kapasan ook al son. Ja, my ons. Some of you haven't prayed yet in this year, and that some of you, I'm part of the some of you. I'm part of the sun, like some of you. You haven't prayed yet. Die Bybel wat ook gaan lê en reën buite kan. Gaan in my sak my Bybel. Ja. Maar één ding wat ek wil sê is dat ek roep aan my son. As jy die groot planne het, moenie die mense sê nie. Van ek is goeie example van altyd wat groot planne het of gehad het, ek het nie meer planne nie. I don't have plans. Not at all. Daai die gaan. Daai was all say, if you are part of the people if you are part of the people this year, I just opened this Bible. And the way I opened it is the way I'm gonna read it, because that's what I probably need. But as I'm saying, if you have big plans this year, as you groot planne het die jaar, moenie die mense sê nie. Because I'm a good example of big plans, a lot of potential, but I got haters, verstaan jy? Ek het mense wat my nie wil sien rise nie. Not because they hate me or what? Nah, because they are afraid of the potential wat in my skit. Verstaan jy? Hey, wat is dit? So don't tell people plans, bro. Just keep everything to yourself. Even DR. I don't have any plans. I don't have a New Year's resolution. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stay at home and do like that Ali B song. Ek werk op my ma se nerves. As al wat ek sal doen die jaar, daar is die job goede wat ek sal gaan soek nie. Daar is die zaak wat ek wil maak nie. Wat dan jy? So my enemies, weet net julle hoef nie door dokter toe te gaan nie. You don't have to go to, or you don't have to pray for my downfall even, my niggas, because I will not be doing shit. What's that say? So you guys can just focus on other people. Van ek weet daar is baie mense wat my nie wil sien rise, and if they see me rise with a lot of money, it won't sit right. Van hoe Toshen wat net by die huis lê en bly het soveel geld. Hy toer moet. Hy wat verstaan jy? Like you guys will get a lot of stories about me. Okay, like and julle kan any marry like sometimes the words that come out of my mouth, I don't understand them, but they make me feel stupid. But yeah, listen. You can actually take on by mense hoor as hulle van my praat op hulle se tong. hulle hou nie van my nie. Hulle pretend net hulle hou van my. Even sommige mense play net met my van hulle ken my vir 'n baie lang tyd. Verstaan jy? But if they have had the option to skate me off, they will. Daar is ook ander mense wat as ek in hulle se presence kom, hulle raak onsmaklik. Hulle soek my nie daar nie. Verstaan jy? But is dieselfde mense wat sal vir julle sê, ja. Oh. Maisa. Nee, ja. Maar is dieselfde mense wat julle sal sê, of wat vir my sal sê, yo, ek is bly vir jou om jou te sien, ek is proud, dit weer, garai, is dieselfde mense wat kak praat van my, wat sal, en sommige mense praat kak van my, maar as ek voor hulle is, en dan gaan hulle aan asof hulle die grootste saints is, like they were not talking shit about me, verstaan jy? Ek wil net hê, julle allemaal moet vir my treat, soos julle my die hele tyd getreat het. En hou op fake my, bra. Want julle dink, die story sal kom nie tot by my nie, verstaan jy? Daai is een ding wat julle denk. As jy kak praat van my, praat ook die goeie goed in my, bra. Verstaan jy? As jy kak praat van my, talk about the good stuff also. En meeste van julle praat kak van my. En as ek tussen julle kom, dan gaan julle aan asof julle nog nooit slegte goede van my gepraat het. Julle glimlach is nog julle wat my eerste prys. En imagine, 'n outie wat jy check, hy is neksie, hy sal nog nooit recht kom. Die man kom recht, denk jy nie, dit plaat die mens wat my gaan menag het. And then they start wishing, hy sal dit nie lang hou nie, hy sal nou weer vlog. Like, die is die goede wat ek gaan realize het. You guys here, you pretend you like me, julle wel rondom my is, but in reality, julle haat my. Ek het outie nie, but pretend heel van me, but in reality, die haat me. Van somewhere, somehow, ek is miskien die man se cherry se type. Maar ek en die man, ons het die conversations as mense so nie. Ek is sy bra se bra, en hy is my bra se bra, verstaan jy? Ons is nie vriende nie, maar ons deel een vriende. Verstaan jy? Maar is alright, kom ek tabazaan gauw by wat sy page ek opgaan, man. Men, let them bring charges against him. Aye! After he stayed among them not more than 8 or 10 days, he went down to who pronounce ek die naam? Caesarea. Caesarea. Yeah, Caesarea. To Caesarea. And the next day he took his seat on the Wacht. Moenie denk ek gaan nie lees nie. Wow, relax. Ek het graad 10 2 keer. Ek kan lees. Eerste keer ek het gedop van. Ek het dose rond gejag. Tweede keer ek het gedop van dose het my rond gejag. And the next day he took his seat on the tribunal and ordered Paul to be brought. When he arrived, the Jews who had come down from Jerusalem stood around him, bringing many serious charges against him that they could not prove. Relax. Kambaza. Kambiles, me ouchies. Kambiles, imagine, it's Friday. The second day of the year, 2026, it's Friday, and I'm sitting and reading a Bible. DR is different. Yeah. Okay, as was saying, they could not prove, okay? Paul argued in his defense, neither against the law of the Jews, nor against the temple, nor against Caesar have I committed any offense, may I cease. What's that saying? But Festus, wishing to do the Jews a favor, said to Paul, do you wish to go up to Jerusalem and there be tried on these charges before me? But Paul said, I am standing before Caesar's tribunal where I ought to be tried. To the Jews I have done no wrong, as you yourself know very well. As not the Jews, as the Jews says as altitude. But the Jews they are talking about here are the Jews they stole from, their identity. Laat ek die woorde sê, kom ek lees net hierso klaar. Laat ek my eie conclusions. If then I am a wrongdoer and have committed anything for which I deserve to die, I do not seek to escape death. But if there is nothing to their charges against me, no one can give me up to them. I appeal to Caesar. Then Festus, when he heard, as already da Festus, as the Festus says, it's a Jacob. As the Jacob says, it's a Jeremiah. When he had conferred with his counsel, answered, to Caesar you have appealed. To Caesar you shall go. Caesar likes us a problem, Chuck. Now, when some days had passed, Agrippa, the king, and Bernice arrived at at Caesarea and greeted Festus. Festus. Atago salude. And as they stayed there many days, Festus laid Paul's case before the king, saying there is a man left prisoner by Felix. This Caesar Felix Festus, I am playing a war game on my phone, and they are one of my generals. And when I was at Jerusalem, the chief priest and the elders of the Jews laid out their case against him, asking for a sentence of condemnation against him. Hoeveel die Jews net al die swart mense doodmaak? Jealousy. Jews are jealous of black people, and they will always be, because they want to be black. They want to be the chosen kids of God, but God chose his kids already, my own. You can never force yourself into history and into somebody else's favor. God has chosen his favorite kids, and they are black people. The rest of you, burn. Okay. Let us continue reading, my jitters. I answered them that it was not the custom of the Romans to give up anyone before the accused met the accusers face to face and had opportunity to make his defense concerning the charges laid against him. Hey, walakasha the drag baram, parara. Hey, the drag baram. So when they came together here, I made no delay, but on the next day took my seat on the tribunal and ordered the man to be brought. When the accusers stood up, they brought no charges in his case of such evils as I supposed. Okay. Rather, they had certain points of dispute with him about their own religion, and about a certain Jesus who was dead, but whom Paul asserted to be alive. Ja, van die man het was opgestaan na die daar hoor. Chakalaka sop. Pap me the vlees. Being at a loss how to investigate this question, I asked whether he wanted to go to Jerusalem, and he tried there regarding them. But when Paul had appealed to be kept in custody for the decisions of the emperor, I ordered him to be held until I could send him to Caesar. Caesar is ook een van my generals wat ek like op die game speel. Is dit ook? Ja, hy is een van my generals. Then Agrippa is mosquito. Owens, don't think I can't read that. I can read. Sometimes I cannot just pronounce the words. Agrippa. Pronounce goed hy kon word. Ek lees die Bybel, maar ek sit met 'n vuil tong. Ja. Reading a Bible with a dirty tongue, very wrong. Then Agrippa said to Festus, I would like to hear the man myself. Tomorrow, said he, you will hear me. So on the next day, Agrippa and Bernice came with great pomp. P-O-M-P, pompous. And they entered the audience hall with the military tribunals and the prominent men of the city. Then at the command of Festus, Paul was brought in, and Festus said, King Agrippa, and all who are present with us, you will see the man about whom the whole Jewish people petitioned me, both in Jerusalem and here, shouting that he ought not to live any longer, because you wanted truth to die and the lie to spread. Why do people want to kill the truth and the lie to spread? Because the real Jews But I found that he had done nothing deserving death. And as he himself appealed to the emperor, I decided to go ahead and send him. But I have nothing definite to write to my Lord about him. Therefore I have brought him before you all and especially before you, King Agrippa, so that after we have examined him, I may have something to write. For it seems to me unreasonable in sending a prisoner not to indicate the charges against him. So Agrippa said to Paul, you have permission to speak for yourself. Then Paul stretched out his hands and made his defense. Walakasha. I consider myself fortunate that it is before you, King Agrippa, I am going to make my defense today against all the accusations of the Jews. Okay. Therefore, I beg you to listen to me patiently. My manners of life from my youth, spent from the beginning among my own nation and in Jerusalem. Beginning among my own nation and in Jerusalem is known by all Jews. They have known for a long time, if they are willing to testify, that according to the strictest party of our religion, I have lived as a Pharisee. And now I stand here on trial because of my hope. Still lekker om te quit. Too nice and lekker to quit reading. So we turn the page. Parasha, Warasha, Walagasha. The promise made by God to our fathers. To our fathers. To our fathers. Like whenever the Bible talks about the red devils and stuff, they are talking about the white people. So, to which our 12 tribes, the 12 tribes did not have white people at all. The 12 tribes did not have white people at all, but let's continue. To which our 12 tribes hope to attend as they earnestly worship night and day, and for those and for this hope I am accused by Jews, O King. Why is it thought incredible by any of you that God raised the dead? I myself was convinced that I owed to many things in opposing the name of Jesus of Nazareth. And I did so in Jerusalem. I not only locked up many of the saints in prison after receiving authority from the chief priest, but when they were put to death, I cast my vote against them. And I punished them often in all this. No, who pronounce the word? I am going to spell the word for you, and then you pronounce the word. Synagogues. Dat is die woord. Synagogues is wat ek pronounce. I don't give a fuck. And try to make them blasphemy. And in raging fury against them, I persecuted them even to foreign cities. Okay. Ek sien jou blasphemy wat jy gaan doen het. Paul. In this connection, I journeyed to Damascus with the authority and commission of the chief priest. At midday, O king, I saw on the way a light from heaven, brighter than the sun, that shone around me and those who journeyed with me. Kapazan, luister, muneti kapazani. Ek wil hê julle moet luister, julle moet hoor, luister en verstaan. And when we had all fallen to the ground, I heard a voice saying to me in the Hebrew language, Saul, Saul, why are you persecuting me? Is it hard for you to kick against the goats? Van is the gods of gods. Van is Goads. So I don't know how to pronounce that word. And I said, who are you, Lord? And the Lord said, I am Jesus whom you are persecuting. Ek sê, net tot daar. Van hier af ek lees vir myself. I read for myself now. Life. Like it looks like the Bible just breathed life into me. So I got 25 minutes of vlog. Not bad, bruh. 25 minutes are not bad. Exactly. But anyway, so like I said, my man say, if you have big plans this year, don't tell people, bruh. Keep them to yourself, let God do his thing. And the rest van julle, my man say, net soos ek gesê het, ek hoop. Julle praat nog kak van my. Ek hoop. Julle het nog slegte ideas van my. Ek hoop every time jy maak jou mond oop, jy het net kak om te vertel van my. Laat jy as die Here my seën en alles kom reg. Laat jy kak voel. Jy moet sleepless nights hê as jy my sien ek het reg gekom. Jy moet voel jy wil toer dokter toe gaan en my lewe gaan toer, net soos jy the past 2 years my lewe gaan toer het. En almal wat iets sleg teen my stuur, ek hoop dit gaan terug na jou toe 10 miljoen keer, laat jy safa. Ja, everybody that has kak gedagtes, almal wat kak van my praat, en jy lieg met my naam, ek hoop dat julle slegte goede gebeur met Joe. Ek hoop die mense wat jy lief het, sien jou vir 'n poes. Wat sê jy? Ek hoop alles wat jy doen, werk jy uit vir Joe nie. Ek hoop alles wat jy wil doen in die lewe, jobie vir jou nie meer uit. Al die slegte goede wat jy aan ander mense wil doen, moet aan jou gaan doen word 10 keer. Wat sê jy? En almal wat met my sleg gebly het, moenie change my mense. Don't change. Moenie switch up. En jy wat jy van my deep down hou nie, maar jy pretend jy hou van my, jy glimlag met my. Ek dink is tyd om vir my te vertel in my eie gezicht, jy hou nie van my nie. Van ek kan die fake energy voel ouens. Is nie dat ek dom is, ek gaan net dom aan. Because I act dumb doesn't mean I'm dumb, I just hope you know that. En jy wat denk jy is beter as my, jy sal nog nooit beter as my raak. Jy sal nog nooit beter as my is nie. Jy sal altyd net denk jy is beter as my, maar jy sal net jou gedachte is. Maar in reality, dit sal nie so is. Nee my mense, geniet julle se Vrydag, eerste Vrydag van die jaar. Julle wat secretly wish dat ek reis nog nooit van julle is bang om sekere kragte te flop en een ding. En sommige van julle moet weet ouens, die cherry sê julle net gaan nee van ek het gaan jump. Verstaan jy, kijk ek vertel ook dat die ouens dat sommige cherry sê julle net gaan nee van ek het gaan jump. Nou as ek nie gaan jump het, die doos sal nog altyd my doos was. Even nou, as ek
nou bel ook, dat het nog steeds.
Verstaan jy? Wat sê jy rala? Rustig. Ja, nee, dat. Kom. Massa kon. Ja. Nee. Vat my foon. Oh God. Hoe arek uit die foon na?
Será storm aniski.
Hey, Diago go mule, je moet opbouwen maika. Diago go mule.
En ik wil gaan reek dat die massa kind. Je moet opbouwen, hoe?
Dat is een klein hond.
Los.
Dat is een klein. Maar goed zo.
Hey.
Dat is een klein hond, jou slecht nee. Ja, like, zoals ik ga zeggen. Ja, Jisa moest niet om. Ja, bra. En die dingen ken niet. Ik heb hem ook niet gaan zien, nie, bra. Checky, bra. Doe, ja. Kom ik stem bij jou zo.
Heb je nu op kota?
Hey. Ja, like zoek hem altijd die bakken se daar sit.
So I sien hy koppietjie gaan
Die, ja, like ken jy like zoek hem altijd die bakken se hier sit.
Ja.
Sit hulle.
Dat is
Nee,
groot
daar.
spasie man.
Ja,
Wat is jou naam?
is Bruce.
Hallo, Bruce, het jy hom groot gekry?
Ja, ons het hom gekry mis. Ja, like ons het hom die size gekry. Soos
Hy
soos in
mense nie, man.
like jy hoef van honde stry, like jy byt die mense nie.
Jy kan sommer sien.
Mm.
Alpha.
Die is annie like jy check die brain hond wat al die
Hoe byt hy female?
like hy weet jy is 'n female, verstaan jy?
Te laat.
Ja, stel laat.
Die tyd wat jy besef
Safe is like a stel laat, like soos ek ontvang sê ek hom ook is 'n cherry day. Hey maar die hond. Annie keer ek laat. Nee, rala. Yo. Ja, nee, die net gaan sien is gevaar. Toe sê sy huis toe. Ja, toe sê sy huis toe. Salut. Ja man, soos ek gesê het my mense. Wat het ek gesê? Sommige van julle moet ook weet, even die cherries is wat vir julle nee. Het net vir julle gaan nee om 'n reaction uit my te kry. Just to show me that this could be us. But jy hou jou vara met jou tree. En dus jy gaan nee. Maar JJ ding. Dit me gaat top. Nah my jita. The pussy belongs to me. Is a grap, die pussy belangrijk. Behoort die aan mij niet. Maar die pussy favor me. Verstaan je? So ja, mijn mensen, kom ik los chillen eerst. Kom ik. Gaan vangen shower voor de eerste keer in een jaar. For the first time in the year, I'm gonna take a shower. And then, Bafana, Charasa Mufuet. Sons cross.